Hello everyone and welcome back. Can you believe it? A new year here. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching, subscribing, and leaving comments. Your support helps me and helps you to create. I hope you had a great new year and are working on your resolutions. Those of you who have been affected by the global pandemic, my thoughts and prayers are with you. It is my sincere hope that you will find the strength to get through it all. In this first video of the year, I will demonstrate how I make my folded note cards with ribbon slots in Cricut Design Space. I hope that you can use this video as an example of what you can create and integrate into your projects or small business. First, you'll need to open Design Space and start a new project. Second, you'll want to select a square and make the square 3 by 9. I'm going to change the color to white. And I'm going to place it on the X and Y axis at 0. Now I'm going to select a score line. I'm going to make the height 3. And I'm also going to rotate it 90 degrees. And duplicate it. I'm going to place the first score line on the x-axis at 0 and the y-axis at 3. And for the second one, I'm going to place it on the x-axis at 0 and the y-axis at 6. Now I'm just going to select all and then group those together. Now to make the slots for the ribbon, go over to Shapes and select the equal sign. I'm going to make the width 0.26. And the height 0.219. I'm going to change the color to white and duplicate. I do want to mention here that the width of my ribbon is 1/4 inch, 0.25, and it's flat. The size of your slots should be based on the size of your ribbon, so make sure you put that into account. Place one of the equal signs on the y-axis at 0.25. And place the second equal sign on the y-axis at 6.25. Now I'm just going to select all and center horizontally and then group those together. And I'm just going to place the square back on the x and y axis at 0. Okay, and finally, you can add text or images like your business name or logo. At the top below the slots is where I will add my text. So I'm going over to text. And I'm using the Cricut Sans font, the writing style, and the font size that I'm using is 12. And I'm going to put space between my letters. And I'm also going to change the color. And now I'm going to rotate this 180 degrees. And I'm going to place it on the y-axis at 1.293. And that's just to center it vertically. I will center horizontally after I add text to the middle section. Now I'm going to add text to the middle section. And I'm using the same font, the same writing style, but this time I'm going to change the font size to 10. And I'm also going to add space. And I'm also going to change the color. Now I'm going to place this text on the y-axis at 4.415. Now what I'm going to do is select all and then center horizontally. Now click on attach. Now I'm just going to duplicate this. Since this card is 3 by 9 inches, only 2 will fit on 8.5 by 11 paper. And if you make them smaller, let's say 2.5 by 9 inches, you could get 3 on one sheet. And of course, if you have larger paper, you could get more. So before I select make it, I'm going to align these, and I'll see you back here with the results when cutting is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, give it a positive like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Also, if you have a topic suggestion on what you would like to see, drop them in the comment section below. Remember, stay positive, appreciate your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.